Today I'm going to answer the question, can you set your cruise control at 150 miles an hour? Behind me I have my 2016 Ford Mustang Roush Warrior. It has 670 horsepower and 545 pounds of foot torque. And I'm going to see if you can set the cruise control at 150 miles an hour. The top speed on this car is 155 miles an hour, so we'll be below that. Now I know what you're thinking. You want to try this in your mom's minivan on the local highway on Interstate 95. I'm doing this in a controlled environment. I'm in Germany and the speed limits on the Autobahn behind me are unlimited. You can go as fast as you want. It's Sunday morning and the traffic should be light. So let's get the camera set up and see if we can do this. Alright, I'm getting on the Autobahn now. In Germany, it's perfectly legal for you to go as fast as you want on the highway. As long as the roads are clear and you're in an unlimited section, you can go as fast as you want. So I'm going to get this on the Autobahn and I'm going to set my cruise control. And I'm going to see if you can set it at 150. We'll see. Sorry if I got the super concentrated face. It's just that it's a lot of effort to get on the Autobahn and speed. So now I got a 120 section, so I got to slow down. Yeah, so in the 120 section you got to slow down, but it takes a lot of concentration to do 150 miles an hour, so alright, so I'm getting back on the Autobahn here. We'll see if we can get this cruise control to get going at 150. Hopefully the cars will be out of my way and I can do this. So no, you can't set your cruise control at 150. So let's see how fast you can set your cruise control. Here's 120. Oh, 120 took. So at 120 you can do your cruise control. Let me speed up a little bit. Concentrating on the road because there's a slight bend. Here's 130. seems to be the limit. So there you go. 125 you can set your cruise control at. After that, it won't let you. Let me see if I can increase. Okay, I'm hitting my plus sign. I gotta hit the brakes because there's a car in front of me. Alright, so it looks like the max speed that the cruise control can be set at is 125 in this car. I hit the plus sign when I was going 125 and it wouldn't let me go any faster. So let me just prove that the plus sign works. I'm going 110 right now. I'll set the cruise control. It took. I'm increasing speed. It lets me go up to 120. Let's see if it'll go to 125. Alright, so I felt it hit the electronic limiter. So 125 is the maximum speed that you can set your cruise control at. So that's where we're at. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. To my new subscribers, thanks for joining me. I appreciate your support. And I'll see you guys next video.